Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm so glad to show you my first look using the new Atelier of Dreams eyeshadow palette by DIOR. This is the new collection for holiday season and I decided to purchase Atelier Doré palette with the Golden Symphony, even if I was so tempted by the silver shade we have in the other palette. And when I saw the look with this beautiful palette, I noticed the color symphony is a little bit muted with cool tones, and it really didn't speak to me holiday season, so I decided to move towards the golden shade and the bright red lipsticks. So if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to follow me also on Instagram, where I upload quite daily makeup news. This is the palette and it's absolutely beautiful. It has Atelier printed on the palette and we have a very nice colors combination, very classic in my opinion, with this soft warm gold, in particular this one, and another tones more cool and deeper. So you can create very classic look with this palette, perfect for holiday season. And the look with the other palette is more soft, as I told you, with this beautiful beige brown lipstick. But I was really so tempted by this strongest combination, so I had this beautiful mini size of 999 red velvet lipstick. So I decided to create a look with this one. I love the finish also of this lipstick, because once you wear it you don't really feel it. In Italy this collection has already been released, so I'm wondering what I will buy towards Christmas, maybe the spring collection, I don't know, but yes, launches are running crazy, you know. And October is the new December in my opinion. So this is the makeup look. I think this palette can suit many people because it's a great classic. So reinterpretation maybe of the usual golden palette we have seen from DIOR, because we have different textures also, since we have this more matte shade like this to intensify the look, metallic effect, sudden finish, and not a really sparkling effect. So DIOR this time went very classic, and in my opinion also these shades are a real good combination. So there is the second part of the video where I show you the swatches of this beautiful palette and where I created this makeup look. So please follow the second part. So this is the palette and you see the colors are absolutely stunning, classic, perfect for holiday season. And you see it has this beautiful DIOR Atelier printed, so the design is always special for DIOR. And now let's destroy this beautiful printing, and I wanna show you the swatches. So let's start from this beautiful top color. So as you can see, this is warm brown, so it's not a very cool dark brown, but it has also a sudden finish, so it's not definitely matte, but it's very beautiful. Then we have this pale gold, it's an ochre, And you see it's more yellow, something like pale yellow ochre. Now let's move to this gray brown shade. So this is more intense and it's also matte. Then let's swatch this one. This is the deepest one. So we have this beautiful tone to tone, to mention another beautiful collection, I mean Chanel latest winter collection, but you see how different undertones we have. So this is warmer, this is cooler, this has a little bit of yellow in it, instead this is more warm. So the combination is very elegant, and I think you can create a very perfect makeup look for holiday season. And we have also a golden touch. See I still have some colors on my fingers, and this is the gold, so luminous. Let's see. So this one. So let's start applying the shade all over the lids. You see the color is really a little bit neutral with a warm touch. Now let's take this one to create the shape of the eye. Now let's take this golden and let's apply all over the lid. Now let's take this darkest one and create the outer shadow. I take this one and I go underneath. And I use it to soften a little bit everything. Go back with my gold. And I place it just in the inner part. So they are very easy to blend. Now I take my black pencil and I contour my eyes a little bit. A little bit of this brown, a little touch of this one to smudge over. So now I just put my mascara on, and now to complete the look I got a mini size of new 999 velvet. So this is just so beautiful to see. just a touch of pink blush. This is from latest DIOR collection. And final touch of Lisa Aldridge Elevated Glow Highlighter in Crystal Nebula. So this is my finished look. I decided to combine these warm shades and brown cool tones with this beautiful velvet finish of 999 lipstick. Absolutely, this is the mini size, but there is also the usual size in this Christmas collection. So I think it's a nice match. We have a bold lips ready for holiday season. So thank you for watching. I hope this video could be helpful for you. Let me know what you think of this Christmas collection by DIOR and if you like this eyeshadow palette. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!